Welcome to Tech SR. Today's video is about how to add beneficiary account in MGB mobile banking. So let's get started. Go to the MGB mobile banking app. Log in. Click on Setting. Click on Manage Beneficiary. Click on Add Beneficiary. Add nickname. Add full name. Add mobile number. Add email ID. Click on Save. Click on Confirm. Choose within bank beneficiary option for MGB account holder. Add MGB account number. Confirm account number. Click and save. Click on Confirm. To activate added beneficiary, click on the added beneficiary. Click on Activate. Click on Yes. Enter OTP of your registered mobile number of MGB bank account. Click on Submit. Beneficiary activated. Thanks for watching Tech SR. Like, share and subscribe Tech SR.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And